Go, Gabby, go.
Is there another chair?
De la Macu.
One button.
Lego City. With one building.
The shitty road I made is not finished.
And the road is not finished. We shall repair the boss.
I did not know about the poke a hole in the egg technique. That sounded kind of baloney to me. Try not poking a hole in them. What is that for? Do you see this man? He is cooking. Just like you. He is a cook. It is you ruining eggs.
Eggs?
And then you will go to sleep in your hospital bed.
My hospital bed?
After you incapacitate yourself.
Incapacitate my eggs.
Being driven to the brink of madness by the eggs.
The eggs do cause this, it is true.
Want the egg foo young? Hold the egg. Just the foo young, please. Yo, we need to build a custom Chinese restaurant, bro. We call it Walk Shitty.
Walk shitty.
This music is too scary. I'm turning it off.
I hear them.
This is the soundtrack of the final egg. Ooh, green. What is that?
This is a perfectly boiled egg. Oh yes.
No, not possible. What? Show the camera, please.
Okay. Okay. Here's egg. With a flat bottom.
How did you get a flat bottom egg?
I don't know.
That is terrifying. What the? It's like a Lego egg, bro. Shawty had them flat bottom egg.
We are only at 32%. You can keep pumping.
Keep pumping. I have not received any food.
You have received soy egg. A very difficult task.
The only ingredient was soy and egg.
No.
And water.
4 drops of fish sauce.
Oh yes. I forgot. Actually, it was like 10 or 6 or something. Think about it. Think about if this orange was any darker. It would just be brown. Of course. This is orange. A dark orange. So dark it almost looks brown. Well, if it were any darker, I don't know if I would allow it in my...
Oh no.
Bro, we should start the first like adult Lego channel. I'm saying?
I think that is already done right now. I'm getting some very clean audio.
True. I like that mic, bro.
It is epic.
I need to get a new mic set up for upstairs. Basically, technology bad, bro. Never use technology, ever. Just embrace Plastic City.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Build Plastic City. I watched the Babish Orange Chicken video.
Spoons of cornstarch to combine, and then over. I know that this recipe has sugar and orange flavor.
This is where I saw it. Buttling? Some buttling. And why is he smashing the orange peel?
Muddle makes it release its oils.
Make sure you don't waste these peels. You meatier, juicier
Chicken
bites, which
Boresto.
instead of frying tempura style, toss it in at
Some of that.
Simmer the 2 quarters for stand up to that sauce with this frying method. Rinse and repeat within each starch that's ever been filled
Yes,
with addictive. Scatter some juicy, goosey.
Or we can make Chicago style pizza.
But even if you measure everything to a lightly floured work surface, it will become even more here for about an hour and try to push it up against this and let this red, sweet. John specifies that tomatoes don't spin of olive oil that we're going to heat over until it's along with the cheese. It's dense, the cheese. Now, I'm a huge fan of Chicago rights.
Tiny but dangerous.
Alright, boss. We got 18% left to get the money shot. You better produce in that time.
Produce. I will produce. I've made a horrible mistake.
Dear God. I am dying. My camera is dying. We are all dying.
Oh yeah. That's nice.
Okay. Everything. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Pow.
My side is closed. Wow.
Turn.
What's going on, guys? So it is tomorrow. By the time this is being edited and put together and finished up, and just wanted to say thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. We're gonna continue this Lego city, so stick around and it should be pretty cool. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.